So for average if you can work with the simple average and it can have if condition as well. So like average, it is asking for range. So range is defined here, and then the criteria, maybe you can see value greater than the for value, and then for average range you can then again specify the range which is number of cells, and then it will be dividing by the number of cells. So here is the average if, and if you note one thing, if I in the criteria range, if I define non-numeric value, it will give us the error there. So we have to define the right criterion there. See, if non-numeric value is entered, it is giving us the error. So for average if you have to specify the average range and then the criteria range. So criteria range 1 should be, we can say, juices item category name, and then the criteria is that it should filter double H value. So you can see that category with double H value is 6. So average is 6 as well. If you want to add multiple if conditions, simply you have to add another criteria range and then the criteria for that. That is condition. So we will be looking for hot drink, and then we will be filtering out for the tea. So let's do that. So it is giving us the average for hot drinks, which is 6.33, and then we will be adding another range here, criteria range, that it should filter out the item name where the name is tea. So you can see that in the hot drinks, if you go by the tea, there is one value is present and average is coming up as 7 as well.